My name's LeaAnne Day, and I'm the manager of the digital kitchen here at ConAgra. What started my love of food was probably growing up. My mom cooked almost every meal. We didn't eat out a lot, so I always saw her cooking in the kitchen. And as I grew older, I also got a little interested in nutrition. And I took nutrition courses and got to the hands-on food prep. And that's when I found out how much I really loved cooking, because you started learning all the different techniques and the different things you could do, and it really grew from there. In college, I was studying nutrition, studying dietetics, and Healthy Choice was a brand that ConAgra had launched. And I was really intrigued by the Healthy Choice brand. And actually, during that time when I was in college, I reached out to the dietitian that worked here and had some conversation back and forth about the company, and that brand in particular is kind of what first drew my interest here. I love that every day is different. It presents so many different things that we can work on, but at the end, you're working with a team of people that all really love food and want to put a lot of great food on the table throughout the country.